It begins here, in these fertile fields, where massive automated harvesters collect the fresh potato crops.
Back it up, watch your left side, and stop, perfect.
The first step is the rigorous cleaning process. Here, massive automated brushes spin rapidly, scrub.
The raw potatoes enter the massive drum washer, where high-pressure jets and the tumbling action remove every speck of soil before they move on to peeling.
Next, the potatoes are transported to the dicing and mixing section.
Here inside the massive industrial mixer, the potatoes, peas, and our secret blend of spices are evenly combined.
Consistency is spot on for this batch.
Good.
Temperature is stable.
Here, the mixture is spread thin to ensure it reaches the ideal temperature before stuffing.
The filling begins with freshly boiled potatoes, green peas, and carrots, all coated in a rich mixture of aromatic spices.
In parallel, the massive mixers churn the seasoned meat mixture, preparing it for the samosa variants.
Automated temperature sensors constantly monitor the heat levels inside the mixers, ensuring perfect consistency for the meat filling.
Here we see the dual mixers combining the spiced potatoes and the savory minced meat, blending thousands of servings simultaneously.
This expansive hall houses dozens of synchronized mixers, capable of producing thousands of kilograms of filling every hour.
The samosa dough travels along the conveyor system, where our team manually checks the consistency and thickness of each strip.
Here we see the high-speed triangular cutters, ensuring every wrapper is perfectly shaped before moving to the filling stage.
Automated folding arms precisely shape the rectangular dough strips into perfect cone pockets, ready for stuffing.
The crispy shells move rapidly along the conveyor system, approaching the automated injectors, where they will be filled with the spiced mixture. The freshly stuffed samosas travel along the conveyor system toward the automated sealing zone, where robotic arms ensure a perfect closure.
With a quick, practiced motion, the cone edges are folded, sealing in the savory filling and forming the iconic triangle.
Is this batch ready for freezing?
Yes, they all look perfectly stuffed and sealed.
The samosas are slowly conveyed towards the massive industrial frying tunnel, ensuring perfect alignment before being submerged in the hot oil.
Guided by steel conveyor belts, the delicate pastries are slowly submerged into the massive deep fryer, beginning the transformation into crispy samosas.
The samosas travel along these parallel lanes, deep frying until they reach that perfect golden brown.
The oil quality index is stable at 95%. Good. The automated filtration is working perfectly.
Here in the frying section, thousands of samosas move through the bubbling oil, ensuring that perfect crispy texture every time.
Here we can see the excess golden oil being drained away, ready to be reused in the frying process.
After deep frying, the samosas move along the conveyor belt to cool down, ensuring that perfect crispy texture.
Are the levels stable on Unit 4?
Yes, everything is optimal.
Quality control is paramount. Each samosa is checked by hand to ensure the perfect golden color and crispy texture.
The digital weighing platforms ensure every samosa meets the exact weight requirement before being moved to the packing station.
The multi-head weigher ensures the precise weight of each samosa, capable of processing thousands of units per hour.
The freshly fried samosas are quickly packed into these colorful pouches, ready for the next stage of their journey.
Welcome to the largest samosa factory on earth. These towering shelves hold thousands of cartons, ready for global dispatch.
Watch your side, easy now. All right, set it down, bring the next one up.